Today we will introduce the usage of the new BMS of SOK Battery. First, we should download the SOK app, search ABC BMS in Google Store or App Store. When we first receive the battery, it is still in the sleep mode, for which it can't be detected by the Bluetooth. Therefore, we should charge the battery till its current is above 1 amp. After the connection, let's have a look at the operation interface. Open the basic settings here. The original password is 200010. When the battery is not charged or discharging, the current should be 0. If it's not 0, then we should click the idle calibration. Then set the sleep time to 9,999 minutes to take the battery stay active. For the default sleep time is 6 hours. Next is the capacity setting, which is adjusted according to your cell. The rated capacity of the testing cell is 206 amp-hours, and the full or practical capacity of it is 210 amp-hours. There are 4 functions below. The first one is the storage mode. If the battery is not used for a long time, it is recommended to fully charge the battery before entering the storage mode. But please pay attention to that. When you want to reuse the battery, you should charge it to activate. Like here, we charge the cell with 1 amp current to activate the cell, and then it will be automatically connected to the app. At the same time, we can observe a balance status at the bottom of the interface. When the battery is fully charged, keep it in a charge state and the 4 cells will balance each other, with the voltage close to the same, and the voltage difference among them is below 0.1 volt. The protection state here has the low and high temperature cutoff function. When the temperature is below 0 degrees Celsius, it will cut off charging. When below minus 20 degrees Celsius, it will cut off discharging. The protection state can be applied to all DIY projects, regardless of whether your battery cell is 100 amp-hours, 200 amp-hours, or 300 amp-hours. Every battery can be renamed. Eight hours later, I will connect the battery with this app to check the balance status of the battery, and the voltage difference now is only 0.016 volt, much smaller than yesterday, and the balancing is still ongoing. What's more, click on the yellow icon here. The Fahrenheit temperature and Celsius temperature can convert to each other.